This is Ahmed Kamal with 13 plus years of experience in software development and solutioning. I played different roles in many projects, big, small, and medium ones. I worked with different cultures and I could able to manage big teams from different locations like Manila, India, and Egypt. I do have good experience and knowledge in ERP business industries such like equipment, service, fashion, and construction. In the large scale projects, I played several roles like technical project management, solutioning, and development. I have been involved in technical solutions to improve system performance, create new module, and to build up a new solution from scratch. I do believe in personal and business growth both together so that I can help you to grow up with your business easily. Looking forward to learning more about the opportunities you have for me being part of your great organization.